I was in the doctor's office the other day, and I realized I hadn't heard the most recent Brother Ricky sermon. So I clicked on the all-new Harden app, and I went to the most recent sermons, and there I heard the latest sermon from Brother Ricky.
If you have your Bible this morning, let's open once again.
And then I decided I wanted to hear some more sermons. So I scrolled through the menu, and I went to a sermon series that piqued my interest. Then I wondered, what's the most recent event coming up for Harden? So I clicked on it, and it was Story Hour, and it gave me all the information I needed. Then I wondered what else is going on at Harden. So I clicked on the events page, and I could scroll through and see what's happening at Harden Baptist Church. Then the person beside me asked about Harden, so I clicked on the Gatherings tab, and I showed them the times and the services of our church. And then they wondered how to get to Harden. So I downloaded that for them, and we clicked on the directions page. And from there, the person clicked on directions, and it showed them exactly how to get to Harden. In a mobile world, Harden now goes anywhere you go, presenting the all-new Harden